Hello to all my friends out there, dinner time. So for the rest of the year, I want to be as totally thrifty as I can. So I made some black tea. I just use one tea bag for 4 cups, and that works good. It's strong enough, and you know, I can get by on that for today and tomorrow. So, oh no, I still haven't fixed my light problem. So, okay, so now, tonight I'm having some rice. So what I'm trying to do when I make rice is to generate a little rice milk. So there's all ways to do it, and if you've been following me, you know this is nothing new. So I made some rice, and so instead of just throwing the water out, I want to save it up. And then, you know, tomorrow I will have a little rice milk. So, this liquid, I'll show you in a minute. Some think rice milk tastes the closest to cow's milk, uses for dessert, soup, and light sauces. You can use it in waffles, pancakes, smoothies, rice pudding, cake, muffins, oatmeal, or cereal. And to make milk tea, you just add sugar and rice milk to your tea. And I did make that. Oh, I'm going to add some to my tea and some sugar. I have some sugar for a little treat for myself. So now, back over here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put the rice on one side because this is, well, let's see, what am I going to do? Well, I'm just going to add as much as I need, and then the rest I will reserve in a little bowl. Because what I did is I made a 1/3 cup, and it made more rice than I thought it was going to. Okay, so now if I want to have some milk tea, now that I thought of it, with rice milk, you have tea. Black is the best for this anyway. About a teaspoon for a little cup like this. And here's the rice milk. And I will just pour a little bit in my tea. And then you can cool it and then drink it cold. It's really good, you guys. All right, I think I need a little bit more rice. Well, I'll just eat it all. And if I don't eat it all, I'll save it in a little bowl. Okay, so now. So you want to stockpile bags of rice right now while you can still get them pretty cheap. So today when I was out, I went to the 99-cent store and I saw they had green peppers. When they're in bags like that, it means there's it's $1. So I bought them, and I have a half left over. Okay, if you saw the last video, and thank you very much, Melissa. It was in 18th century Germany. This was devised for the poor kids because they were having a hard time concentrating. Moved over to America during the Depression. I'm going to be reading up on this a little bit more. And here was the meal devised for the children. 2 slices bread spread with margarine. I stockpile margarine in my freezer. 1/2 pint milk, 1 cup. 1/2 apple and 1/2 orange, slices of raw uncooked vegetables, carrots or sweeties, and cod liver. You could take a pill. I think I'll get some. So this leftover, I have a leftover green pepper, and if I get some carrots, I could have some little slices of green pepper, and I have a 1/2 banana left from my, I made a chocolate banana split this afternoon. And then, okay, so, all right, now, this is a cheap meal as well. So I had salmon patties that I bought at Smart and Final, but homemade would probably be better. So I fried my salmon patty in a little oil, and then on both sides, and then I topped it with some from some stewed tomatoes. I bought these the other day at Walmart, and I will save these because tomorrow if I have a salad, you know, I just chop them or grind them and, you know, put them on my salad. That is good enough. And then I save my seeds out, and what I'll do is just cover this with some dirt, and I'll water it, and maybe something will grow. I mean, if, you know, if what I want to do is try to create a year-round garden, using the seeds out of my food. So mainly I just cook this long enough to you know, to roast the green peppers. And this is good. And then I made two biscuits. I like this stuff. It comes in the little pouch, and if you just need two biscuits, you just whip up two biscuits, just add water. And so this is really kind of a really cheap meal, you guys. And once you get good at these biscuits, look, here's my biscuit. I made it in my muffin pan. You know, I put a little oil in there, but it's a biscuit. And so then, you know, I have a little grape jam. So this is, and then usually for this, and that tomato sauce is going to cut that acidic tomato or lemon is what's going to cut your fishy taste. So the comments were good, really good. If you guys have comments, leave them, because I have followers. I don't have a lot of followers as far as followers go, but I have followers everywhere across the world. I mean, far, far away. And so you never know who might be able to benefit from your comment. I mean, maybe it's stuff you've been doing your whole life. The comment on the Oslo breakfast for children was very helpful, because all I have to do is add a little milk and, you know, a citrus, and I'd be in pretty good shape. So if you get some kind of sandwich, I've always had meat and cheese, but it can be just cheese. At 1/2 apple and 1/2 orange, and cod liver oil, which is your amine. I mean, maybe if you don't have access to the amine, then, you know, another important thing you want to stockpile is grape stuff. Yummy. Homemade bread would be super good too. Cornbread would be super good. All right, let's see if there's anything else I wanted to tell you guys. All right, now let's taste this, and I will tell you. You know, there is a video Ricky and I did at Ricky's house, and it was welcome to our party, and we made the salmon patties. I can't say our homemade patties were better than this. You know, I bought these at, let me show you, at Smart and Final. You could make a salmon sandwich as well. That is good. A lot of people like salmon with scalloped potatoes. That's good. Try to find your fresh vegetables marked down. That's really going to help you with your lunch. That's good. If you don't, you can buy the cod liver oil tablets at Walmart. So now what I'll do is I'll just put my rice milk. I didn't, if you want to make rice milk, you can remove the rice milk when it's at this point. I just want to tell you guys about this. I need a little more milk in my tea. This rice milk with sugar and black tea is very, very delicious. And it's a cheap, you know, you might as well use your rice milk. That's good, you'll like it. Okay, I have one other tea for you. It's tea, honey, cinnamon, and lemon. That is going to give you a really good tea too. I have that on my Twitter. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.